The Reason for Sneezing, written by Eddie Evans, issued by Matt Lovebridge. Focus question. What happens to our bodies when we sneeze? Donations. Razkid, what is something that makes you sneeze? Write a poem about it with at least 4 lines. Science. Draw a picture of yourself. Label the following body parts: brain, lungs, chest, diaphragm, and belly. Share with a partner what each of these body parts does when you sneeze. The reason for sneezing is really quite clear. You breathe in some dust and blow it out in the air. Your nose gets a tickle because of this dust. Your body registers it should and it must. The way that you sneeze is always the same. Information is sent to your lungs from your brain. Many muscles contract to push sneeze through. That's your diaphragm, belly, and chest muscles too. Your eyes shut, your tongue on the roof of your mouth. This forces your nose to blow that breath out, and blow out it will. It explodes with a great power. A sneeze can go 100 miles an hour, 161 kilometers. Are you sick in the bed with a cold or the flu? You know this will cause to sneeze a lot too. Think of a sneeze as a natural alarm. A sneeze is defense that keeps us from harm. Next time you sneeze, keep in mind and comment. Cover your nose with your arm or your hand.